Hi there, students. Meticulous, an adjective. Meticulously, the adverb. Meticulousness, the noun for the quality. Okay, if you describe somebody as meticulous, you're saying they show great attention to detail. They're very careful, they're very precise. So he checked the figures with meticulous care. Okay, he was very conscientious, careful, and diligent. Okay, so meticulous. If you call somebody meticulous, this is quite a positive word. You're saying they're doing a good job. They're paying very great attention to the smallest details to make sure that everything is right. So he meticulously did his work, each thing at a time. She was so meticulous about everything that a mistake was unheard of. Okay, thorough, with meticulous attention to detail. The room had been meticulously cleaned, yeah, painstakingly, yeah, with attention to even the smallest things. So notice the other day we had this word punctilious. Punctilious also has this idea of being taking great care about the details. Punctilious, though, is very often talking about etiquette and making sure you do the right thing at the right place in the right time. And very often punctilious can be negative. Yeah, not always. But meticulous, yes, this is a very positive thing. Acting with extreme care, with extreme concern for the details. His meticulousness is one of his great qualities. Yeah, so he even checks the most minute details. So exact, precise, detailed, thorough. Yeah, scrupulous, making sure everything is absolutely perfect. He was meticulous that every ingredient of the meal was absolutely perfect, and that's what makes him such a good chef. Okay, so particularly this idea of meticulous detail. Okay, so a meticulous search. He searched absolutely everywhere, carefully and precisely. When you do investigation or research, you need to research meticulously. A meticulous investigation, checking every point. The report that he gave was very meticulous. It covered every point and every detail. Okay, so if you're meticulous, then this is a good thing. Yeah, it's a very positive thing. So now, what about formality? This word I'm going to give a 5 in formality. I think you can use it just about anywhere. Yeah, so that's useful. And then as to origin, it comes from meticulosus, which actually comes from metus, and meaning fear, and the culosus bit actually comes from periculosus, perilous or dangerous. So meticulous, I think you've got, you're frightened that you're going to make a mistake. And if you're frightened you're going to make a mistake, you check everything very, very carefully. You check all of the smallest details. Okay, so the speech that he gave involved many hours of meticulous preparation, very thorough and careful. Okay, so a good word for you to use. It's a good thing to be meticulous when you're speaking English, to try and think what you're going to say and trying to get everything meticulously correct. The correct tense. Do you need a definite or an indefinite article, etc. But I know it's very difficult to think meticulously while actually speaking. Yeah, it just comes out. Okay, so meticulous, taking great care with detail. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Meticulous.